Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the device so nothing interrupts the process. Make sure the phone is charged above 50% and that you back up your data to avoid loss. Next, open Settings, go to About Phone, and tap Build number 7 times to reveal developer options. This step proves you have access. Once visible, open Developer Options, flip the main toggle, then enable USB debugging and the OEM unlocking option, so the bootloader can be authorized for unlocking. Once developer options are set, connect the phone to your PC and confirm a DB recognizes it. Type a DB devices and accept any RSA prompt on the phone. Then reboot the phone into the bootloader using a DB reboot bootloader so Fastboot can take over. This moves control to low-level tools. Use Fastboot flashing unlock or the device-specific OEM unlock command to begin. You will usually confirm the action on the phone by selecting Yes with volume and power keys. This step, when the Fastboot unlock completes, the phone often performs a factory reset and reboots. Go through the initial setup to restore your account and data. If the phone becomes stuck in a boot loop, do not panic. Reflash the stock firmware via recovery or use the official Oppo flashing tool to restore a working image. This fixes mismatched partitions. Make sure OEM unlocking stays enabled if you intend to relock or flash custom ROMs, and always keep a verified backup to recover quickly if things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.